Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone. This is my iPhone 16 Pro, but you can do the same on any iPhone model. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Next, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Microsoft Outlook and tap the search on your keyboard. When you see the Microsoft Outlook app in the search results, tap the blue Get button to start downloading. Confirm the download with your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password if asked. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You can sign in by entering your Outlook account, email address, and password, then tapping Next. Once you sign in, you'll see your Outlook inbox. And that's it. If you're adding an IMAP account, follow the prompts to set it up properly. For detailed instructions on setting up an IMAP account, check the link in the top right card or the video description. You've successfully installed and set up Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more new tech tips.